Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix CapCut login issues, app and account errors step by step clearly. First, confirm your internet is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and trying again. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, turn it off, then reopen CapCut to refresh the connection. Check the date and time on your phone and set it to automatic, because wrong time can block login. Close CapCut completely from recent apps, then open it again and retry the login. Restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that can cause account errors. Update CapCut from the App Store or Google Play, because outdated versions often fail to sign in. Update your phone's operating system if an update is available, because older OS versions can break sign-in services. Disable any VPN or proxy and try logging in again, because CapCut may reject certain IP routes. If you use an ad blocker or DNS filtering app, temporarily disable it and retry the login. Go to Settings, Apps, CapCut, Storage, then tap Clear Cache to remove corrupted temporary files. If the issue continues, tap Clear Data or Offload App, but remember this may remove local settings and drafts. Open CapCut and choose the correct login method you originally. If you used Google Login, open the Google app, confirm you are signed in, then return to CapCut. If you use TikTok login, open TikTok first, ensure the account is active, then try CapCut again. If you used Apple ID, check iCloud is enabled and you are signed in under Settings, then retry. Carefully re-enter your email and password and double-check spelling, spaces, and keyboard language. If you forgot the password, use the Forgot Password option and complete the reset using the same email. Check your email inbox and spam folder for verification codes, and request a new code if it expires. Make sure you are not trying to log in on too many devices at once, then sign out from other devices if possible. Go to CapCut's server status sources or recent official announcements to see if there is an outage. If CapCut shows network error, try changing your DNS to a public DNS and restart the phone. If CapCut shows account banned or suspicious activity, stop repeated attempts and proceed to appeal or support. Open CapCut, go to Profile or Settings, then find Help Center or report a problem to contact support. Write a short support message including your country, device model, OS version, CapCut version, and the exact error text. Attach screenshots of the error and note the time it happens to help support trace the issue faster. If login works on another phone, uninstall and reinstall CapCut on your main phone to fix local corruption. After reinstalling, log in again with the original method and allow required permissions when prompted. Finally, keep CapCut updated and avoid modded APKs, because unofficial versions commonly cause login failures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.